guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be crash testing a robber car, a police car, a fire car, and a off-roader. Okay, we're going to be slow-moing this, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let's start off with this one. So as you can see, this one did a very bad job. So what the car is supposed to do is it's supposed to go down or go there and crash there. But this one went and fell off right there. So overall, I would give this crash a 2 out of 10. Alright, next car. The police car. Okay, wow. That was surprisingly well, but did something fall off? Let's find out. Let's see. No, I don't think anything actually fell off. So, I don't know what this piece is. Let's just put this to the side. Let's put that car back where it was. Alright, next car is a fire car. Guys, so as you can see, the back bumper fell off, and yeah, it did some damage. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate that car. So that one was actually pretty decent, so I would give it like a 5. And this one, since a little piece broke off, I would give it like an 8 because that was a cool tumble. The next one is going to be this one, the off-roader. I'm surprised that this really didn't break that much, but oh yeah, I spelled ketchup on my foot. So yeah, overall, this one, its wheel fell off and a bike came off, so it's pretty nice, decent. So I'll give it like I wish some more stuff. Oh wait, the windshield came off. Okay, so since that was horrible, that was good-ish, that was great, this one is also good-ish, because honestly I was expecting more than just a jump, flip over, and then a wheel came off. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll make a part 2, but this time with boats. So yeah, bye.